Hi friends, today we are going to see how our emotions and past events affect our life. Our thoughts, emotions, past events and experience are stored as memories in our bodies. Over the years, these emotions result in some form of illness or disease. Then later we start treatment on these disease. But this treatment is like we are working on the fruits rather than the root. We are ignoring the root cause why this thing happened. We need to understand the root cause of our problem. Initially, our body gives us warning signals in the form of pains or aches. Those who are more aware of their body can catch the change. Others simply ignore it or get out of it using a painkiller tablet. But if we ignore this emotional pain, then in the later life we have to face serious illness. One person came to me who had a problem of chronic back pain since many years. In a hypnotherapy session, I came to know that 8 years back he had climbed a tree from where he had a fall on his back. This event, it was an emotional event wherein the body had stored this memory, and since then he had developed this pain in his body. Every year this pain was becoming more and more severe. To understand this better, I will give you one more example of a person who had a problem of excessive heat in the body. Her hands were often warm even in the winter season. She had problem of blisters in the mouth. While going through her past life history, we realized that when she was 7 years old, accidentally hot boiling water fell on her body, completely burning her. This memory got stored in the minds of the little child, which gave her the problem of excess heat in the body. After clearing the trauma of this event from her mind through hypnotherapy process, this problem was permanently solved. Now her body is completely balanced. So from these two examples, we understand the importance of clearing our emotions on a daily basis. But before clearing, how do we understand that this emotion will get stored in our body? For this, we need to pay attention to three main aspects in our body. The most important thing is our breathing, the way we breathe, the length of our breath, how the air goes in, how it comes out. We need to pay attention to it. Second is our heartbeat, the gap between two heartbeats. Third is our stomach area, the area around our navel. How do we feel in our stomach? Check out what are the feelings going on inside your body. Check how you feel when you are happy or when you are in a good mood or when circumstances are normal. How do you feel in these three areas? How is your breathing? How is your heartbeat? Or how your stomach feels? On the contrary, you feel the difference when you are not so happy or when you are disturbed or when you are angry. Check out in these three areas. You will come to know the difference. At times when you have eaten heavy food or done excess eating, those time also you can have a check in your body how it feels, how the digestion process is going on, why your stomach is feeling so heavy. You can understand your difference. This way, with this practice, doing it on a continuous basis, your body will start talking to you. This awareness will help you to detect emotion at a very early stage, and then the clearing process becomes very easy. So this way one can be aware that emotions does not get stored in the body, and we can prevent this emotion turning into a big illness.